story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey ONESMARTFROs, it's me, Gina, and in this video I am here doing, I was feeling creative and I'm going to show you guys how I did this hairstyle. I did flexi rods. I actually use a different size flexi rods than I normally use. I think they're like the 3/4 flexi rods, the purple, but they're a little bigger than the small purple ones that I typically do when I do flexi rods. My hair was blown out and I wanted to do flexi rods. I'm going to be using Camille Rose Curl Love as just like a moisturizer because I blew my hair out like 2 days ago to trim it, and then hadn't put product in it besides the products that I use to blow dry my hair. I will link all those products down below, as well as the video of how I blow dry my hair and stuff, my straight hair routine, whatever. I'll leave that so you guys can check that out. And then I use the Camille Rose Spiked Bakari Styling Foam, which is a new product from Camille Rose. I've had this for a while. I think I got it early when it like first launched, because you guys know I love mousse and I love foam, but I have been using it, but I haven't used it to do flexi rods. So I was like, you know what? I'm almost out of the Curl Love. Let's use this and let's do a flexi rod set. So I'm not gonna ramble on too long. This is really just a hairstyling video. You can use any products that you have that you get the best flexi rod results. And like I said, I'll link all the products down below. Before we get into this video, if you have not joined our SmartFro family, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscription button as well as the notification button so you don't miss out on any new uploads. And let's get into this hairstyle. So I'm going to achieve this style on blown out hair, but you can definitely do this hairstyle on non-blown out hair. I just find that it's just so much easier for me to part my hair when my hair is blown out. And I find that I get less breakage when my hair is blown out when I try to do hairstyles, intricate hairstyles like this, than what I typically do. So that's what I'm doing. My hair is blown out. The only thing in my hair right now is the products that I use to blow out my hair. I will have those products linked down below, and I will also have link the video in which I show you guys my full straight hair routine, because that's basically the products that I use. I just didn't straighten my hair. And so once I've done that, I'm going to part my hair from ear to ear, and then I'm going to braid my hair. Now, if you know how to underhand braid, I think this will definitely look better. I'm not the best underhand braider, and sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't know. But I'm going to just braid my hair into 5 sections. So what I did was I evenly parted that front section 5 ways, and then I just applied some leave-in and then some Lovely Bees Edge Control to help slick it down so that it can look clean. Now, obviously, if you want it to look cleaner, I would definitely go in with cleaner parts. It is very hard to part my hair clean when I am filming, so definitely something you want to take your time. My hair was actually long, so you couldn't really see the parts, but if you definitely want your parts to be more definitive, I would definitely do a lot cleaner parts than I did.
The vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold they chat. Honestly amazing, I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know he won't do for. Yeah, I know what you want, you got it gorgeous. You bet you're tugging, it's talking me nicely. Just ease it up on me, I'm fighting the feeling, I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer, you know where you started, you know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear, tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it, you're ready.
Now, to secure my ends, I am going in with elastic rubber bands. I just find that these type of rubber bands are easier to work with and they don't cause breakage around my hair. And when I'm ready to take them out, they pretty much just snap off and I just lose less hair. So I'm going to use the elastic hair bands to secure my hair. If you don't want to use rubber bands, basically you can hold your hair with bobby pins. It's just completely up to you, whatever comfortable to you. So once I've done that, I'm just going to start in work on the back section of my hair. I'm going to be using Camille Rose products. I use their Curl Love Moisture Milk as my leave-in for moisture, and then their Spike Bakari Foam Mousse for my mousse to give me hold around the flexi rods. I'm actually going to be using purple flexi rods, and I think they're 3/4 of an inch flexi rods, which is typically a little bit bigger than the flexi rods that I normally do and that I have done on my channel.
The vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold their chat. Honestly amazing, I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know he won't do for you. Yeah, yeah. I know what you wanted, you got it gorgeous. You bet you're talking, it's talking me nice. Just ease it up on me, I'm fighting the feeling, I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer, you know where you started, you know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear, tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it, you're ready. You say you're ready for it, you're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready, you want it for it. You've heard some things, people talk like they know the real me. Let me clear the air, I've made my mistakes, I've learned how to behave. I know I'm a stranger, but I feel acquainted. Reading the signs, we both got our damages. I don't wanna play it safely, with you it's different. You've been what I'm missing, real talk, no fiction. I get lost in how I'm feeling, yeah. I want you closer, you know where you started, you know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move your body, baby. You say what I wanna hear, tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it, you're ready. You say you're ready for it, you're ready. What are we waiting on? I know what's on your mind. You're ready, you want it for me. Just show me you want it, you're ready for it. What are we waiting on? You want it for it. Are you ready? Ooh,
Okay, so these are my final results of my Flexi Rod set. I really do like this foam. It is just really nice. My hair always feels moisturized when I use it, and I just like it. It's a mousse. It doesn't give me like the most long-lasting hold, but it gives me really good results. And once the curls start to loosen up, I feel like this hairstyle is a perfect hairstyle to just like throw my hair up in a puff, and it will still be cute. So yeah, I will link some videos of me using some other Camille Rose products. If you are someone who is interested in Camille Rose, I have a wash and style on their original line, and I also have a wash and style on their lavender line. If you're interested and you want to check that out, so I'll leave those for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up, and I will see you guys in my next video.